guys, so it is 95 degrees at 8:30 at night, and I would have a video photographer today, but they ran out of gas and Dad's going to rescue them. It's so hot I haven't been able to really do much, so I've been seeing this all over Pinterest and I decided I'm going to give it a try, and I thought today's video is going to be that. So I have a styrofoam chest. Okay, the styrofoam chest, these styrofoam cups, some duct tape, whoops, and I have a little fan over there I'm going to use, and I bought 3 bags of ice. So the first thing I'm going to do is I went ahead and went like that, traced around it. Now I'm going to cut these out, and then I'm going to duct tape these to the ice chest. So then we're going to take these cups and place this here. Look, I might even have to use the duct tape. That would be great. So I just screwed that in place. I'm going to cut the bottom of the cups, but let me put this other one in. That fits perfectly. Screw right in there nicely. Custom made, dude. Alright, I'm going to cut the bottoms off. See if I can. Okay. Just like that. Nice. I am going to go ahead and put the duct tape right here. Okay, so this is what the product looks like right now. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to take this lid and I'm going to put the fan on top, and I'm going to trace how big the circle is that I need, and then I will put that together. So I'm going to go grab that fan and trace. Okay, so this is the fan. I took the bottom part off this fan, so I took the stand off and I traced it. I've had this fan for several years. It's a Breezeway, I think it's called, and I traced the circle. So now I'm just gonna cut it out. Since I don't have help videoing, I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down. So I've cut the hole, and it's not going perfectly. I may have to make it a little bit bigger. But I'm going to duct tape this to the top. Okay, I've got the fan duct taped to this thing, and now I'm going to open the bag of ice. Maybe I should just drop it in there. I'm going to drop it in there, and I'm going to put the other one in the freezer for another time. Alright guys, here's the finished product. It's running. And I put this bigger fan in front of it to try to push more air through. And you know what? That generally is cooler than it was. That is pushing some air. So, I'll let you know how it goes. That's me again.
Huh?
Say that to me again.
What, this?
About my redneck.
Oh. Did you know this is redneck?
You know what?
Redneck.
I might be able to sleep tonight with that. It's actually working.
Amen to that.
You guys are crazy. Alright, well, I think it's actually working. But I'm trying to decide if I need to put more ice in it. But y'all have a good night. See you tomorrow. Thumbs up, like our videos.
Our Instagram is like, I mean the subscribe button is like, I think it's right there. I don't know if it's right there YouTube, so I don't know where's it at. I don't know. You subscribe to it, okay? Give a thumbs up.